What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Car Adventures with Reg, and I'm back again with another video. And in today's video, it's gonna be a little different, y'all. We're gonna be doing POV, you know, POV drive, but we're gonna take a cruise to Half Moon Bay. We're finna go on this cruise with a whole bunch of other people that I don't know. But yeah, it's supposed to be like a little meetup, and you know, we're gonna take that cruise with them to Half Moon Bay. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys can do me a favor, go ahead and subscribe right now. Go ahead and like this video because it's gonna be lit. Let's hear that exhaust. Woo! I can't get enough of that. Right now, we're finna go get some gas. Finna go gas her up. I'm at a half tank right now, so y'all know this is it's a gas guzzler, so I'm gonna make sure that, you know, she's full. So I'll check back in with you guys when we hit the gas station. Whew. So I'm at a half a tank. Let's see what we got. But look at it. Y'all see it? Man, this thing is clean. Just got it washed yesterday. Yeah, it's looking real clean. Black on black. Never could get tired of it. One thing about black wheels is that them things get dirty too fast. But besides that, it's all good. Well, y'all, that's where we at. 41.36, 9 gallons from a half a tank. Gotta make sure you get all that gas out, all of it. I'm stingy. Ooh. All right, let's start her up. And as y'all can see, she full. I'm super excited, y'all. Like, I never really been on like a cruise before, ever. This will be like my first cruise, like type like meetup, you know, and then, you know, go cruising around with other people, other car enthusiasts in the Bay Area. So I'm really excited. Woo! Can y'all hear that exhaust from the cabin? That thing sound crazy. Sound real crazy. But yeah, we finna get ready to get on the freeway, y'all. I'm finna plug up some music. I don't want to talk y'all heads off, so I'm gonna give y'all a little B-roll.
Yeah, I just wanna run it up. Kinda check or something. I've been really in the feel letter. Yeah, I've been really in the field, let her rush, I let her feel. Lately I just wanna run it up. Don't need no deals, I make the deal. Have to take it to a meal. Lately I just wanna run it up. Yeah, kinda check a song. Lately I just wanna run it up. Count that too, count it up, count it up, count it up, count it up.
Alright, y'all, pulling up to the destination. It's gonna be a lot of people. Let's see if I could find a fin. All right, pulled up to the destination. As y'all can see, it is a lot of muscle cars. I don't see no Infiniti gang, not one. I hope somebody could pull up in a G or something so we could, like, you know, I won't feel too, you know, like, damn. All right, y'all, everybody's moving now. Yeah, it's hella loud. You gotta watch out doing it in front of them. to make some moves there, y'all. Boy, this thing is crazy.
Lately I just wanna run it up. Need them ones, I need them fives, need them tens, I need that change. To the safe, got blues inside. Greens and pinks, it's all the same. I still save and roll my change. Take some losses when I play, charge it to the game. I'm with L, yeah, I'm with T Black, I'm with Reverend now. I'm with Bay, yeah, I'm with Jay, yeah, I'm with Chuck and now. Still the same, not switching sides, now it's about loyalty. You switch sides off for the bag, and that's worth more to me. I mix Nike with designer, I experiment. You just rock what's on the shelf and I'm not feeling it. Search for the one, but baby girl, it's nothing real as this. Can't trust a soul, I keep a hammer, call it too legit. I've been really in the field, love the rush, I love the feel. Lately I just wanna run it up. Don't need no deals, I make the deal, have to take it to.
Wish like we would've all like went out together, like got on the freeway together, so y'all can see how many cars it is. Like it was so many cars, like even behind me, like it's a ridiculous amount of cars. Okay, we see him. Hold on, y'all ain't finna leave me in the dust like that. So much traffic. Got a little scat, you feel me? A little scat. That Genesis is loud as hell though. Genesis is loud as hell.
Lately I just wanna run it up. Yeah. Kinda check a song. Lately I just wanna run it up. Count that too, count it up, count it up, count it up, count it up. Lately I just wanna run it up. Yeah, yeah, I just be off the dome. I never own no chrome. Too many foes and clones. Yeah, yeah, I be at home alone. I be in zones alone.
Look at all the boys. They are really out. They're trying to, you feel me? Kinda wish this Lexus would get out my way though. Like beep beep, move out the way. Oh man, this is beautiful. This is nice. Like look at the, like, I don't know if y'all can see, but like look at the, look man, this is nice. Don't slip on the trail. Don't slip on the trail.
Tempo, tempo, can you keep up with my tempo? Tempo, yeah, yeah, blowing up, C4. I just hit the Mike Jackson on my tiptoes. Oh yeah, I know we go.
So it's looking like everybody finna stop at this gas station for a little bit. Alright y'all, finna get ready to get back on the road.
Wherever that wind blows, the endo. Don't slip on the trail. Don't slip on the, don't slip on the, don't slip on the, don't slip on the trail. Don't slip on the trail.
Seemed like everybody was, you know, waiting right here for kind of like everybody to get back. So now we back on the road. I'm officially caught up with everybody. It's a ton of cars behind me. There's some more cars in the front. And let's enjoy this cruise, y'all. Let's enjoy the cruise.
High key, I know. I send all of my rap foes like they my tadpoles. Yeah, yeah.
Look at the water, y'all. Y'all see that? People out there surfing. It's crazy. This is nice.
I like getting money, I got time to get it. Target on me, so my car's a tenant. Dancing with the devil, I don't bargain with it. Bobbing in the dash and the stick is with it. And I hit the 4-5 on the west side, but I'm from the east side. This how we slide, this how we ride, yeah, yeah, this how we ride. Going pro, no lead, Make it easy like 1, 2, 3. Go, go, on 3, 2, 1. I fly till you can't see me. Swish, yeah. Ballin', from the first whistle we go all in. And one, call it. Numbers up and never falling. Feel like I hit the lottery and proud of me, yeah. Know a baby proud of me, so I throw pride away. She know I stuck to the plan and I stayed out the way. Now we're spending no money, never touching the bank. Just from me the game and I'ma get it done. Don't do it for fame, do it for the ones. Ace with cigar, my damage my lungs. Wife, you want to drive, she get what she want. I like getting money, I got time to get it. Talking on me, so my car's a tinted. Dancing with the devil, I don't bargain with it.
We got a tunnel, y'all. Liking the video so far, that's what I want to know. But keep on saying it, man. Drop that like. If y'all haven't already, subscribe, man. Support your boy, man. I'm out here putting in that work. I'm out here grinding. I'm out here going crazy, man. Just think about it, bro. Like, real quick, man, I don't like to toot my horn, and I never did this before, but since we in the car and we talking, we a cool POV drive, cool little vlog. Let's talk about it, man. Like, what YouTuber out there that's renting cars, doing reactions? What YouTuber out here is really going crazy with content? The type of cars that the type of things that I'm doing as a new YouTuber. I haven't got paid yet off the platform. I don't know when I'm gonna post this video, but just know it is April 24th, 1:46 p.m. I have about 645 subscribers. I haven't got paid off of it, like, not once. This is all passion because I love it, and you know, I love YouTube. I love being on a platform. But just name one person, y'all, that's grinding how the way I'm grinding, and I'm a small channel. I'm giving y'all different videos to watch. It's not the same. We're not always talking about the Infiniti. We're not always doing stuff like that. We're doing different things, you know. I'm Car Ventures or Reg. I'm trying to brand it to where you guys will be like, okay, he does everything on this channel. His channel is a one-stop shop. He does everything. And when I start to, you know, let's be real, when I start to make money off of this YouTube, you know, I plan on going even more crazier. And to do that, I really need y'all support. So go ahead and please go ahead and subscribe to me. Go ahead and click that subscribe button. Go ahead and like go ahead and like all my content, man. Go watch all my content, what I got out so far. And if you're liking this video so far, if you made it this far, man, like the video, man. You know, we going crazy, man. 2021, like I said, man, we're going crazy. We're going stupid. But back into the POV drive, y'all.
Do good, do great, and they talk bad on you. No need, no face, cause they're not factual. I won't stay too long here, I'm just passing through. I might hit the bank and get a bag or two. My mama asked me why you got that cash on you. Second you switch up, they might get mad at you. No, you're not my friend, so no, I'm taxing you. You're all like my sons, I'm going dad on you. Okay, good job. Get mine, no prob. Hit my line, you're irking me. I hit that woosah. No, I don't got perks on me. I sleep good on God. Spend that money, make it reappear. Ta-da. I've been getting paid. I've been eating good. I've been putting on some weight. If I got a problem, I just call my brother babe. This is like a warning shot to get up out my face. This is like a warning shot to get up out my way. This is like a warning shot to get up out my lane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the 7. My girl said I'm a dog, but all dogs go to heaven. Thank the Lord when I went.
Alright, y'all. This is gonna be the ending of the POV drive. Went to Half Moon, where we started off in Pleasanton. Now you can see all the cars, you know, they still over there chilling, but we started off in Pleasanton. we ended up going to Half Moon Bay. We stopped, like a little pit stop for like gas or whoever need to go get gas and stuff like that. We stopped over there. Now, oh, and then we went, my bad, y'all, I'm all over the place, huh? And then we went to Alameda. That was the last stop. And like I said before, y'all, let me know if y'all want more content like this, more POV vlogs or just POV drives where you could just hear the car and I'm silent and you just relaxing with the car and stuff like that. I thank you guys for watching. If you guys watched it all the way through, and like I said before, if y'all haven't subscribed right now, go ahead and subscribe right now because I'm absolutely lit. My channel is absolutely lit. I think we made another banger, and I'm out.
Do good, do great, and they talk bad on you. No need, no face, cause they're not factual. I won't stay too long here, I'm just passing through. I might hit the